By default, Windows 11 and previous versions of Windows open the File Explorer to quick access. You can set a folder to show up in quick access for easy finding. When you open File Explorer, either by right-clicking or by pressing the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard, it will by default open to quick access, which lists the folders you have added. To add an additional folder, you can right-click on it and then select Pin to quick access. However, sometimes this option does not work. Here are a couple of steps you can try to resolve this issue. The first step involves using the folder options. Open File Explorer by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting File Explorer. Then click on the three dotted lines, which are the ellipses, and select Options. Once you click on Options, go to the General tab. Under the General tab, click on Clear. After that, choose the option that says Restore Defaults. Click on Apply, and then click on OK. After performing these actions, try pinning an item to the Quick Access toolbar again and see if it is working. If it is working correctly, you do not need to proceed to the next step. If you are still facing a problem after trying this step, the next solution involves using the command prompt. The Quick Access feature relies on Automatic Destination and Custom Destination folders that contain data files. These files help the Quick Access menu function properly. If the Quick Access menu is no longer working, it is possible that these folders are corrupt or contain invalid data. You can try removing these folders and repinning the contents for the Quick Access menu, which should resolve the issue. Here is what you need to do. Close any open File Explorer windows. Then, open the command prompt as an administrator. In the search bar, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window opens, you will need to copy and paste the commands. I will mention these commands in the video description. Right-click or press Ctrl and the letter V together to paste the first command, and then press Enter. After that, copy the second command, right-click or press Ctrl and the letter V together to paste it, and then press Enter. These commands will delete any incorrect entries present for quick access. Once these commands have been executed, you need to restart your computer. After restarting, try pinning a folder to quick access again. This should ideally fix the problem. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.